purpose of this video will be to demonstrate how to add a new brochure to the website. If we are looking at the front end here, let's assume that we've already logged in using our login link down here, and because we're going to do this via the front end. Now it can be done via the back end as well, but it might be easiest to just work in the front end whenever possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to our brochures page, which is under resources. And because we're already logged in, we can see these purple buttons here: add document, add category, upload, and so on. Okay, so what we'll do is we will add a document. And it's important that when we do this, we're going to assign that new document to the brochures category, and then it should show up here. Now, it's important also to note that what I've done here is I've created thumbnail images of each one of these documents, and that's something that you may want to do. It's not mandatory, but it looks nice, and depending upon what the front of your document looks like, it will add to the style of the page, or if it's just plain text, it might not add very much. But the sample document that I have here, let's just take a look at it quickly. It's called New Brochure. If I just quickly view what that looks like, this is just the document that I have on my computer here. So if I wanted to create a thumbnail of this, now keep in mind I'm using a Mac computer here, and the process is different for a Windows machine. In a Windows machine, you need to use the print screen button to create screenshots. On a Mac, you can just simply use the keyboard command, holding down the command key, holding down shift, and then hitting 3. Now this takes a screenshot of the entire screen, and now that may not be what you want. Just go have a look at that here. So that's the entire screen. Now another keyboard command that lets you take a screenshot of a smaller sampling is Command Shift 4. Notice that your pointer changes to a selection marquee tool. Then you can just click and drag over the area you want to take a screenshot of. You can see that darker area, and as soon as I let go of the mouse button, it will take a photo and it will appear on the desktop as a screenshot. So if you double click this file, it opens up in preview for me, and so we can use this as our thumbnail. Alright, so let's just go ahead and we're going to rename this file here, and we're going to call it thumbnail. Alright, now let's go back to the front end of the page here, and we're going to click add document. And again, as we've done before, we're going to click the upload button because we need to upload the file. Here's a file we're going to upload called New Brochure. Click open. File uploads. Okay, now to add the thumbnail image, we need to use the upload button down here in the lower right hand quadrant. And we need to upload the thumbnail that we created. Okay, and we can see it there. Okay, category brochures is already pre-chosen for us in this instance because that's all that was on this page, and then it's just a matter of hitting save and close. So as you can see, we now have a new thumbnail showing the appearance of the file that we would be downloading, and it says New Brochure. So we still see all of these buttons here because we are logged in. However, anybody who's visiting the page as a public visitor without being logged in will not see any of those.